Changing the verification method on your Google account can enhance your security and ensure you have access to your account. Follow these steps to update your verification method. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account sign-in page and enter your email and password. Make sure to use the account for which you want to change the verification method. Step 2. Access security settings. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Find two-step verification. Scroll down to the signing into Google section and look for the two-step verification option. Click on it to access the settings for your verification methods. Step 4. Modify your verification methods. In the two-step verification settings, you will see your current verification methods. You can add new methods or remove existing ones. Follow the prompts to make the necessary changes. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your verification methods, make sure to save any changes you made. You may be prompted to verify your identity again to confirm the updates. By following these steps, you can successfully change your verification method on your Google account, enhancing your security and accessibility.